All right, man. Thanks for tuning in. We got the Easy Go TXT here. Customer said when they put it in forward reverse, it doesn't move. A lot of times people mistake this as a bad rear end, but really it ain't. You could just, what I do, I just jack the car up, turn the key on, put it in forward, or you can do it with the car on the ground and hit the gas. So you can see where it's actually spinning inside. Actually spinning inside the brake drum. And what that means is the brake drum is stripped. To get you an 1/8 inch socket, or most of them have a quarter pin in there. I already pulled this one out. Get your 1/8 inch socket and take the nut off. There should be splines in there. You can see splines at the very end. Or if you look this way, you can see splines at the very top, but stripped out all the way down. So what you want to do is take your screwdriver. You clean out all your splines on here and make sure there's nothing, no more shavings left on them. And when you put it back on, make sure you torque it about 125 foot-pounds. Or I use a DeWalt 1/2 inch drive brushless gun, hammer it down. Whatever you do, don't back it up to go to the hole where the carter key is. Try to go to the next hole. If you back it up, you allow it to get loose. All right, man, you just put it back on. You just put it on, tighten the nut up, put the carter key in, you're good to go. All right, man, stay tuned. Like and subscribe, buddy.